Hiya, it's Andy, how are ya? This is our Sunday shave again. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and you're having a good Sunday. If not, why not? It's really nice here actually, I'm on the coast, it's nice and warm. Hopefully you've had a good week and you're not too hot. And if you are going away over the school holidays, have some fun. Alright, today I'm going to be trying Taylor's of Bond Street. It's the lemon and lime one. There you go. That's what we're going to be doing today, and this is what it looks like inside. It's a bit of a greeny colour. It smells more. It smells like the old Hubba Bubba. Do you remember those as a kid? The chewing gums? It's like those. It really is. It smells like one of those. Have a smell. Go on. Have a sniff. Yeah, see? That's the thing. It does smell like Hubba Bubba. Right. I'm also going to be using the boar. I'm going to be using the boar brush, which is the Mega Ball Pro. There you go. And razor wise, I'm going to be using a Edwin Jagger razor, Barley, with a brand new Wilkinson saw blade. I'm going to try the Wilkinson saws. I don't normally try them. I'm more of an Astra fan. So here we go. Some people use the puck to do this with. I'm not going. I'm going to use the trusty old bowl. There you go. That's what it looks like. Right. Oh, brush has been going for about 5 minutes in water. Okay. As I say, hopefully you've all had a good week. It's been quite hot here. Sitting out in the garden is a nightmare because it holds the heat. I am, and it's quite hot. It is quite warm. You can get Taylor's of Bond Street, by the way, online from most good retailers. You can also pop into their shop and have a proper shave as well. I haven't done that. Some people say it's really nice. There you go. That's what it looks like when it's on. There you go. Right. Let's have a shave. Let's see. I'm probably going to cut myself like I normally do. But hey. Yep, you can smell the lemon and lime together actually. It is quite incredibly lovely. It's nothing smooth on the face as well. That one. But it still smells like Hubba Bubba. For all you youngsters out there, go on to Google. It will tell you what Hubba Bubba is all about. It used to be a chewing gum in the, I think they still make it, don't they? I think they do. I think they still make it. You have to let me know in the comments if they still make it. If you do, I might actually get some. Why is it us men always make funny faces when we're shaving? Is there a reason for that? Do we know? Or was it just me? Just me? Okay. You don't have to make funny faces. Pulling the skin and things like that. I don't know. Yeah, spin around that. Yeah, I'm more of an Astra blade person really. But I thought I'd try the Wilkinson saw blade, see what they were like. It seems to be cutting okay at the moment. Why do I always cover my shirt in stuff? I think I put a bit too much in there actually. Right, we're going to do 3 passes. First one is that one, just done. Which was down. This is a cross. It's a bit quiet. Aren't we talking? You still smell that lemon and lime smell. I can't remember how much these are. I think they're about £20. But it is off of their site anyway. You can order decent, but quick. And sometimes you get a freebie. Or every time I've ordered from them, I've had a freebie. It might just be me. But as long as it's something else in the post to me, I don't know why. Unless it's a mistake. And now I'm going up. Sorry, you can say that. I've got to cut myself again then. Not good if I have, because I don't like cutting myself. That is actually really smooth. Quite like those blades, they're really nice blades, aren't they? Right, back in a second because I'm just about to wash my face. Toes will be back. The tubs are, but it's paraben free as well, which is really cool. It'd be nice if they used organic material, that would be even better, but then the price would probably go up by about a tenner. To do that, I'm going to put some sashes, witch hazel on. I decant it from a big bottle, otherwise you've got a big bottle in it. You splash it around your face. Do it mate. And then I'm going to put this on. You might be able to see this, it's a bit worn now. But that is Taylor's Bond Street Collection 74 Lime, Victorian Lime and Lime Fragrance. So I'm going to put some out on. Comes out yellow, which is weird. Comes out yellow. That stings. But it just proves that you're helping your skin. And once that's dried, I'm going to be putting down, which is the Nivea. It's a Nivea one, and it's a cream. Hopefully we can see that. If not, I will have to. No. There we go. It's a Nivea one, and that's what it looks like inside. Left, I don't mind this one. So put that on as well. Oh, about that much. So there we go. That is only saying what I've used today is the Omega Bore brush. Red. I have used the Taylor's Bond Street lemon and lime. As I say, it smells more like Hubba Bubba, but there you go. I also used some, I used Collection 74 Lime Fragrance from Taylor's Bond, which does actually match it, it's really good. And I also used the Nivea cream, which protects your face, and it's really smooth. But that could be because of the no, that's it, lovely and smooth, like a baby's bum on that one. Right, that's the Sunday show for this week. Hopefully I'll see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and any comments, put them down there. I'd like to hear your comments, see what you've got to say. If there's anything you want me to try out, then let me try, and I'll do it. And hopefully I want to go around and get some other bits and pieces for you. Next week's show, I'll see you then. Bye.